Miles McWalker, miles of MCs, Mr. Real Walker, focus, the power. You know who is with us in prayer, so there I care and am aware. Deep breathing and out, no doubt. Breathe in the cloud and let the pain out. Papa don't wanna leave you without. Move like water, move like sweet smoke in the air. Peacefully there, peacefully moving with care. Tai Chi while you move slowly. Feel the energy around it as you move like the cloud from where you were partly found. God made you profound. Put down the put down, and you'll see the touchdown. A lightning in your eyes. Realize you can see through the lies. These are true from freak guys. Peace is still quiet. Joy is happy gladly. Impatience be gentle. Endurance be true. Your self-control is the road. Faithfulness in your faith will flow. Generosity in your goodness, kindness in your love. Keep that above. Expect to grow in what you know. Hope as I extend this rope. It's not about our notes, though it is about our hopes. In love like that, from above. In peace there is love.
He was putting his Ruckus back together and doing a couple modifications and everything. I let him work on his Ruckus. I said goodbye to the dogs and I